What's something people don't know about the Mac Mini M4? It's incredibly easy to set up. Let me show you. First things first, unbox your Mac Mini M4. Inside, you'll find the Mac Mini, a power cord, and some documentation. Choose a stable, well-ventilated spot near your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Connect your monitor with an HDMI or USB-C cable. Plug in your keyboard and mouse and finally power it up. Press the power button on the back. Next, the setup assistant will guide you. Select your language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your Apple ID. Follow the prompts to create your user account and set up essential features. Now, let's get familiar with macOS Sequoia. The dock at the bottom gives quick access to your favorite apps. Use Finder for your files, Launchpad for all apps, and Spotlight for quick searches. And don't forget those handy keyboard shortcuts like Command+C for copy. Welcome to the world of Mac.